Hey, I'm Johnny and welcome to Outkast Panda Crew. Today, with a Corsa VXR. Let's go!
Like a Hellcat.
The Corsa VXR is a very special hot hatch. It raises the bar for small hot hatchbacks to become cool, fast and stylish. These VXRs came out in 2007 with a 1.6 16 valve turbo running shy of 190 brake horsepower and a 0 to 60 in under 7 seconds. Let's just get straight in. The back of Kayleigh's bumper was designed by Venturi. It's genuinely my absolute favourite factory bumper with triangle exit exhaust and the side vents. It looks incredible. She's also upgraded the exhaust to a Scorpion catback system and you've heard it, it sounds mint. And can you see that massive wang from BYC hanging out the back? I love it. She's also put a maxed-in extension spoiler on the VXR standard one. Kayleigh is thinking of some new rear LED lights to replace the smoke DNA ones in the future. Kayleigh has done one of my favourite mods, window louvers. I adore these. From there, she's kept the VXR skirts and added a maxed-in side splitter. She's put the VXR on FK Street Performance coilovers and she sits very well. And those chameleon tints are a little special, definitely OPC approved there. I think Vauxhall have done a terrific job on designing the VXR. It's one of my favourite top 5 hot hatches. Kayleigh's kept the 17-inch wheels standard and running 215 40-17-inch rapids. Behind those are drilled and grooved Brembo discs and pads and a yellow painted tasty caliper. Let's get into the front of this tasty Corsa VXR. Kayleigh has added a TRC front splitter to the already, for me, perfect front bumper. With more aggressive vents and huge fog lights, it's a standard max power factory car. Go on, name another factory funky front bumper in the comments below. She's replaced the headlights with a fantastic set of dark angel eyes, which I think adds to that aggressive VXR look already. And now, onto that carbon fibre vented bonnet. This cost a pretty penny, but it's totally worth it. It looks the dog's butt. Now it's time for you to hit that like and subscribe button. Now back to the show. Let's get into that interior. These standard Recaro bucket seats are f***ing amazing. The interior is pretty standard though. She has upgraded the head unit to a 7-inch Pioneer touchscreen and Kenwood speakers all round, including the subwoofer. She's removed the rear seats and put a Corsa van false bottom in, so it's all flat. Go on Kayleigh, open up that carbon bonnet so we can get a look at that 1.6 turbo power unit. She's been remapped from 189 to 231 brake horsepower and 239 foot-pound of torque. She's put a K&N filter and jazzed up the bay with some silicone hoses. The target's 280, so it's bigger injectors, bigger turbo and a bigger intercooler. It's all in the plans and she's working towards it. Thanks for watching this episode on the Corsa VXR, one of OPC's favourite hot hatches. Follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, links below. See you next time.